Our lesson today is finding the volume of a sphere with a radius of 3 inches. So if you can imagine one of those little hamper or inside basketball sets that you had when you were a kid, you might have had a ball with a radius of about 3 inches. To find the volume, we're going to use the formula volume equals 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Now, for our purposes, we're either going to do it in terms of pi, where we never use a number, we just consistently use the symbol, or most of the time we are going to use 3.14 for pi. The reason for that is to be consistent, and it's the consistency that's built into our curriculum, so we're going with that as the default right now. Volume equals 4/3, because that's part of the formula, times 3.14 times the radius, which is 3, cubed. Now, I'm simply going to be solving using order of operations with one exception, and I will show you that in a minute. Now, first I'm going to do the exponent. 3 to the third power is 27. And that one's not too hard because it's 3 times 3 times 3, and I can do that in my head. But if it was a larger number, I could use this information on my calculator and type in 3, and then go right here where it says x to the third power, and there's 27. Now, volume equals, I'm going to leave the fraction alone for now, and just multiply together the approximation for pi times 27. 84.78. And I'm doing it in that order to show you something that'll help you out on calculators. So if I type in 84.78 on my calculator, and I want to multiply it times 4/3. On any calculator you ever use, it doesn't have to have special buttons, you can simply multiply by the numerator, which is 4, then divide by the denominator, which is 3, and there's your solution. So the volume of the sphere in this particular problem is 113 and 4/100 inches cube, or cubic inches. If they ask you to round, please round accordingly. In our class, if they don't ask you anything specific to round, the hundredths place or 2 decimal places is the perfect way to go. Have a great day.